What's up, guys? It's Jake Frye, the floor mat guy, and today we are checking out some amazing custom specialty floor mats for our F250 F350 Super Duty lineup. That's right. So we have these special partnership with the floor mat distributors here. We've got a link in the description, so go ahead and check that out for some special pricing.
Shout out to CarQiWireless for sending these
out to CarQiWireless. They're making some awesome floor mats, and we're going to show you that today. So these floor mats actually have a tri-layer construction. You can kind of see that there, and you can actually read about it in the description. But basically, that makes these floor mats super tough while still being flexible, bendable, durable as well. And some of the benefits, I mean, these are waterproof floor mats, just like we've come to expect out of our great, the other brands that make, Ford, WeatherTech, what have you, but at a fraction of the price. So this is really your value with some added actual capability. So these are slice resistant, tear resistant, waterproof as well, and are going to do a great job of keeping dirt and nastiness out while still being a flexible, easy to use, easy to install product.
So keep your nice truck clean. You just take those things out, spray them off, slap them back in there, and you're ready to roll.
Say I've got my I'm coming home from a day of work. I got my tools in the cab. I've got my work boots, my steel toes, muddy as can be. It doesn't matter with our CarQiWireless all-weather floor mats. It has a really nice construction here. It's kind of a rubberized, vinylized cover and face here, and it almost has a carbon fiber type of appearance. I'll be honest with you, I haven't really seen this utilized on many floor mats, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. And that's on top of all the other great benefits. You can actually get these floor mats right now at the link in the description, less than $200, and that's for a 3-piece floor mat set, which I'm about to show you. So front driver's seat, passenger seat, as well as a full all the way across, basically a bulletproof floor mat setup. So you pop it right in there. It fits easy as can be, and we left in our King Ranch floor mats to show you that you don't necessarily need to take them out. It is recommended, however, because you can snap these in,
lock them in place.
Lock them in place so you don't have any issues with your accelerator or your brake pedal getting caught up with your floor mats. So it's as easy as that. It took me less than 30 seconds, and I've got super durable, super usable all-weather floor mats in any kind of Super Duty truck. Let's head around to the back. I'll show you the all the way across third piece for these super nice weatherproof floor mats. And it fits in there like a glove. I mean, the whole setup probably took us less than a minute to install. I've actually been using these in my F150 Lightning, and it fits almost as well as it does with this super snug as a glove fit in our F250 King Ranch. So, I mean, if you've got that nice interior, that upscale model truck, but you don't want to take that depreciation from beating on it, or you just like to keep your ride looking clean, looking nice, you don't want to have any ladies riding with you in a nasty, messed up truck, torn up floorboards, torn up carpet. It's what we hate to see. And it's what we hate to see when you're trading them in. So be sure you pick you up a pair of these nice CarQiWireless floor mats. Link in the description. And as always, what do we want to tell them, Walker?
Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. Please comment. Let us know what you think. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. If you want to search us on YouTube, youtube.com/@RealCarGuys.
@RealCarGuys. Again, these CarQiWireless floor mats are super fantastic. They're a great value for 3-piece all-weather floor mats, and they're original and have some advantages that our other weatherproof floor mats don't have. So again, we think these are a great buy. Go ahead and cop you a pair. They're for the low, and be sure to subscribe for show. This is Jake Frye, the car guy, with the one, the only
Walker Paul Tetters.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks.